Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. In this video you will see in which direction the price of Bitcoin has moved recently. Additionally, you will find out what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and stochastic RSI are predicting about its price and future movements. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Looking at the Bitcoin hourly time frame, the price went up by around 3.3% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of $31,090. And the volume wasn't especially high, so this move wasn't very strong. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 20 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 30,160, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA that is at 31,149 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. Looking at the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is above the hourly ribbon, which is generally bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support, so it is to watch if the price could bounce off it. The current price to watch is around 30,020. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Generally, when the price moves sideways, the ribbon gets less accurate. Moving to the hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are currently very high, which means that the price is overbought and a trend change or at least consolidation for some time is to be expected. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so you should wait to see if the trend will actually go down. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price broke the 50 SMA to the upside, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. The current price is between the 50 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 30,112, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 33,325 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Moving to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price went above the 3-hourly ribbon, so it is to see if the price will dip back below the ribbon or it will play as a support to the downside, currently at around 30,938. Jumping to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are in the higher region, which means that the price is getting overbought and soon a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation could be expected. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so you should wait to see if the trend will actually go down. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, the price broke the 20 SMA to the downside, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. For this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 20 SMA will play as resistance, or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 35,469. Moving to the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is below the daily ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 37,917. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the resistance should be considered. Looking at the daily stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are in the lower region, which means that the price is getting oversold and soon a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation could be expected. The K line is currently above the D line, which shows that the trend has shifted to the upside. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions as cryptocurrency trading is very risky and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.